Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can connect your PlayStation 3 controllers or DualShock 3 controllers to your PC wirelessly with a dongle, for example. And again, but you have to Bluetooth built in, so you don't need a dongle, for example, for laptop. But if your PC or if your system doesn't have Bluetooth installed, please install the driver. But again, you have to install the dongle itself. So talk about the Bluetooth from laptop, that you don't need a dongle. You can try to install or use the DualShock 3 controllers or Sony controllers PS3 by download this app, SCP Toolkit. So you can click to download for Windows. So this is the advertise. So it's small, it's only 28.1 megabyte, and this is the minimum requirement. And here, installation requirement, you have to install this .NET framework first, 4.5 version minimum. Visual C, redistributable packages. You can try to search from the internet, from the Microsoft official website. The DirectX, of course, the driver, Bluetooth receiver or USB cable. This is important, USB cable to connect your joystick, and Sony DualShock controller, of course. And here, after that, you can try to install this SCP Toolkit. So here, this is the component or core features that you need to install. And here, the installation folder. Just click to install this app. So here, after the installation, how you can use the SCP monitors. So here we go. You can connect first the from control panel. Here we go. So you can go to the control panel, click hardware and sound, click device printer, select your controller device, click the device and go to the properties, control your controls to check whether they work or not. So here, just simply a device and printer, for example. Oh, sorry, this is control panels. And here we go, device and printers. So make sure your controller is in here. So I think this is the SCP Toolkit driver installer. So here we go. You have to install the DualShock 3 and 4 controllers now. So in this step, you can initialize one or more DualShock 3 or 4 controllers. So here, connect with your USB cable. So you need to sacrifice a dedicated Bluetooth dongle that will get reserved for use to wireless control only. Here, if you're using a wireless mouse and or keyboard via the listed dongle and installed driver, you will lose connection instantly and permanently. So here, if you're unsure what to do next, please consult by click this link. So feel free to try to plug in to install your DualShock wireless joystick or controller by using SCP Toolkit. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.